Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to discuss exercise 6.5 question number 17. A square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter. A square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter is to be cut. It's to be made into a box without top by cutting off square from each corner and folding up the flaps of the box. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum possible, right? Box, immediately what it should come to your mind, it is a cuboid. When we cut off, you will get it as a cuboid, right? Solution, see the picture, the small boxes are cut off each corner they mentioned, no? So I did the thing as X. So first let solution, let the side of the square, the side of the square, side of the square to be cut off, be x centimeter, be x centimeter. The small thing we consider as side of the square be x centimeter, right? Then from that what you understood, you see the total length is 18 centimeter. It is also a square box, right? Each corner you are removed 1x, and 1x means what is the length of this portion. See, I am scrolling this thing, you see 18 minus 2x, right? 18 minus 2x. Now, therefore, the length and the breadth, of the box will be what it is. Anyone, you have to give a reply, children. Anyone? Yeah, what it is? In the corner we cut off xx, so the total length is 18. What is the remaining? 18 minus 2x, 18 minus 2x centimeter, right? Now the height of the box, what it is? The height of the box is x centimeter. How I am saying this is a x centimeter? We have cut off, no, the small thing, it will act as a height. So volume, they are discussing about a volume. What is the formula for volume of a cuboid? Length into breadth into height, cubic units. Length into height into breadth, right? Now what is your length? 18 minus 2x. What is your breadth? That is also 18 minus 2x. What is your height? X. Now you understood, children, because volume of a cuboid, the shape it represents your cuboid. When you fold, you will get it as a cuboid box, right? 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 2x into x. Now which is equal to, you have to simplify, then only it is easy to differentiate, right? 18s are 324 minus 36x minus 36x minus into minus plus x square into x. Now 4x cube, you are arrange the things in the descending order, right? Minus 36x, what you will get? Minus 72x. So minus 72x square minus 324x. Right children? We finished. We are simplifying. The first step, what you want to do? You want to differentiate, right? V dash equal to 12x square minus 144x minus 324. The differentiation is over. Here you are applying the format is what? The derivative of x power n, right? Now the next step you have to equate with 0. V dash equal to 0, right? Now 12x square minus 144x minus 324 equal to 0. One thing you have to listen children, here 12 is common, right? Here 12 is common, you have to take it outside, then only it is easy to factorize, sorry. It is easy to factorize, right children? Now 12 you have to take it outside, 12, then x square, because it is a multiple of 12, the throughout format is a multiple of 12, so I took 12 as common, minus 12x minus 27 equal to 0, right? Now 12 is not equal to 0, the only thing x square minus 12x minus 27 equal to 0, right? Now you see sum equal to minus 12, product equal to minus 27. Write all the possibilities of 27. 1, 27, 9, 3. Right, 1, 27, 9, 3. Sorry, here it become plus, no? Sorry children. Plus the 324x, sorry, plus 324. So sum is negative, product is positive. Sum negative, product positive. That means both the things are negative. Which is apt here? The second one is apt, right? Now x minus 3 into x minus 9 equal to 0, right? Now what is the thing you arrived? X is equal to 3 and x is equal to 9, right? Which is apt to the sum that we want to find. One you are going to reject it. X is equal to 3, x is equal to 9. One thing you are going to reject. What is the value that we are going to see here, right? X is equal to 9 is rejected. X is equal to 9 is rejected. Why you are rejecting this? Because your length is 18 minus 2x. When you substitute 9 in this length, what you consider? Length equal to 18 minus 2x. When you substitute in the place of x as 9, you arrived the length is 0. That's why you are rejecting x is equal to 9. Because it is not possible to consider. It is not possible, right? Therefore, x is equal to is rejected. It is not possible. For your understanding purpose, I wrote it in the right side, right? It is not possible. When you select this value, your length and breadth become 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3 is a critical point. The next step, what you want to do children? You want to differentiate again, right? V double dash equal to. What is the differentiation of the next step? What is your V dash? What you equate with 0, that you should take, right? The simplification you should not take. What you equate with 0, 12x square minus 144x plus 324, that you have to take it, right? Here V dash equal to, for your understanding purpose, V dash equal to 12x square minus 144x plus 324. Now V double dash equal to 24x minus 144. Now you have to substitute. Substitute x is equal to 3. The V double dash only will decide the maximum or minimum. So V double dash equal to 24 into 3 minus 144, which is equal to what? 1272 minus 144, which is equal to minus 72. V double dash you arrived as negative. So what is your conclusion? V double dash equal to minus 72, which is less than 0. Therefore volume is, you write that point is right first. Therefore x is equal to 3 is a point of, x is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 3 is a point of what? Maximum, right? Point of maximum. Point of maximum, right? Therefore they are expecting what is the largest. Whether they ask, no. We want to prove only the volume is maximum. Therefore volume is, volume of the box obtained is the volume of the box is obtained, volume of the box obtained is largest, is the largest, right? Maximum means what is your conclusion? Is the largest, right? Now you understood, children? You have to see once again, I repeat. This is your box, square box. They said 18 centimeter. In each corner we have to cut off x centimeter. We cut off one small square. That side we consider as x. From that we are getting the length and the breadth of the new box, that is 18 minus 2x, and the height we consider as x. Volume, cuboid, it looks like a cuboid, so volume of a cuboid equal to L into B into H. Then V equal to 18 minus 2x, 18 minus 2x into x. We simplified 4x cube minus 72x square plus 324x. V dash equal to 0. 12x square minus 144x plus 324 equal to 0. The format is a multiple of 12, so you took 12 as common. Then you arrived the solution as x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 is rejected because when we substitute x is equal to 9 in the length and breadth, we arrived as 0. So that we are rejecting. That means x is equal to c is a critical point. Then you do the second order derivative. Substitute x is equal to 3 in the second order, we arrived negative. Once we arrived the negative, the point is a maxima. Therefore, volume of the box is obtained is the largest. Right? Thank you, children. You have to go through. If you find anything difficult, you should ask me. Tomorrow I will discuss. Right?